What's up, everyone? Thank you for joining me again on Patchovich Entertainment Purposes Only. Let's freaking go. Zelda Inu, probably one of the biggest upcoming projects that I've looked into. A good friend of mine turned me onto this a couple days ago, actually, and I dove into it. And I'm a huge dog lover, obviously. And this project I dove into is going to have one of the biggest impacts on dog shelters and rescues there is. So what is Zelda Inu? Honestly, it seems like there's a new coin that is coming out every day now. You don't know if it's a scam or a rug pull, right? Zelda Inu is a very brand new token within the week, actually. They just launched. They're on the Binance network, which hands down, Binance network over Ethereum. I'll take that all day, every day. And what does that actually mean? Well, you get to save a lot more money doing transactions, and you get to get a lot more tokens for your money. Being on Ethereum with a lot of these projects is honestly just insane. It's hundreds and hundreds of dollars just to do a transaction, where it's a fraction of the price to go on Binance, right? So that's the truth behind it. Now, Zelda Inu, let's dig into it here. The last 24 hours, I'm gonna pull up here. This is the 7-day, crazy. The last 24 hours with the market pretty much being a Red Sea out there, Zelda is performing at a very high rate. Here's the last 7 days. And you can tell it launched right here on the 3rd. January 3rd it launched. Obviously on the launch, a huge run up, right? Then a big sell-off. Now you know that happens after every launch of any coin there is. There's a huge green candle followed by a red candle because people take profits. We're in this game to take profits. I understand long-term hodlers, but there's also people that make a lot of money and change their lives. You cannot hate people for literally making money and changing their lives, right? But how does a coin or project perform after that big sell-off? A lot of them can't recover. A lot of projects don't recover, right? Look at this recovery right here. We're at the point where it was 0.55 cents. We are already recovered at that highest peak at an all-time high. I think it's just over, this is what, 5.5, a little over 5.5, 5.6. So we're almost right there at the all-time high. Right now we're at 5.65, but this is a very new coin. And why I'm so excited, other than the dog rescues and helping out dogs and shelters, let's look up right here. A lot of the coins out there right now, there's like 1,000 zeros after their number. You're looking at quadrillion, quintillion, sextillion, whatever illion there is. It seems crazy. And how the heck can you make any money when there's so many coins out there? The reason why this project is amazing is there's only a max supply of 600 million tokens. 600 million. That's it. It's in the millions. That's not billions, trillions, quadrillions, quintillions, something illion. It's not. 600 million tokens. So the scarcity of coins is already built in, okay? Why to invest in Zelda? I already told you, I went over the dog rescues and everything, but they're about to go through their CertiK audit, which is huge. CertiK is one of the top companies for security, and once they pass that CertiK audit, people are going to be jumping in this project. Listen, this is not financial advice. There's no way in heck I'm a financial advisor. I barely graduated high school. I'm just making videos on subjects that I love to talk about, to be honest with you. So do your own research, jump into this project for sure. A little bit on the white paper, docs, devs. This is what I love to see. Nobody is hiding, right? It's very scary when a new coin comes out and no one says, or no one hides, no pictures, no names, no nothing, right? These guys are doxxed. They're showing their face. They're showing their first name, last name, right? Simply amazing. And here are the phases. This is something I also love to see. Where are they going? What have they accomplished already? I love to see what they're thinking about as far as what listings they're gonna apply for. They need to be on. Everyone knows you need to be on exchanges, right? That's what gets you out there and your token purchased, and that's what creates a buzz, right? So I think within the first day they launched, they got coin market cap. They were on that. And usually that takes a couple days or a week to do. So this team is very, very professional on getting things done. Let's see. I know, let me go down here. Oh, so KuCoin. So this was a big one for me, a KuCoin listing. KuCoin is a huge top 5 company, top 10 easily exchange. So you want those big exchanges for sure. But we're already hitting phase 2. CertiK audit is coming. Once that comes, once these big exchanges come, this coin honestly is going. I'm not going to throw a price prediction because the worst thing you can do in crypto is throw out a price prediction and everyone comes back to that video and hates on you. But I believe this is $1, $1.50, $2, $3 in the future. I'm not talking tomorrow, next week, in the future. Buy it, hold it. This coin is absolutely amazing. I'm backing this one 100%. If you hold a bag of Zelda, if you're interested in this project, hop in their Telegram, hop on their Twitter. They're totally active, 100% online, and that's what I look for. I look for communities that are non-toxic. I don't want to go in there and have people bash each other, other coins, other projects. These guys I love jumping in this Telegram. They're so informative. They talk to each other like human beings, right? Go figure. But this is a great project, great communication. But look into this, do your own research. It's Zelda Inu. This project, come back to this video, honestly, a couple months from now, 6 months from now, and watch it be at 25, 50 cents. And right now it's almost at 6 cents. So you better get on the Zelda train. If not now, very, very soon. Do your own research. See you guys.